In today's video, I'll show you how to make Microsoft Teams stay green. So for this, just go ahead and open up your Microsoft Teams on the browser or just open up the app. And after that, what you need to do is come here and click on this video camera icon, which stands for Meet. This is basically for meeting. So just go inside it and here click on create a meeting link. That will insta create a meeting link for you. Just click on it and click on create and copy link. Then just give it some time. It will create a meeting link for you. And there you go, just now created. And what you have to do is to simply go ahead and click on join on this. Just give it some time and just join the meeting. Give it all the permission that you need to give it. Then just wait. Then just turn on the mic, the camera, whatever you want and click on join now. Then just give it some time for you to join the meeting. And there you go, it has joined the meeting for you. Now what you have to do is just go to the top right, click on your profile picture, and make sure it is set to available. And available is the green one that we want. And now that you're in a meeting, whatever you do, you will always be available. That means you will always be green. And basically that is it. And that is how to make Microsoft Teams always green. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.